welcome to my channel. My name is Shauna and this is super exciting as this is my very first YouTube video ever. So welcome. I'm so glad to have you guys here watching my very first video. I have recently got into planning and budgeting and after trying to figure out what planner I would like best after watching millions of YouTube videos, I have decided that I wanted to try the ERIN CONDREN Deluxe monthly planner. I will be planning my budgeting, my meal planning, my kids' extracurricular activities, as well as my schedule. So I thought that that one would be the best option for me. So I'm sure that all of you that are familiar with planning know exactly what this box is. I just got this in the mail today and I am super excited about it. I did get a few extra things as well, so I just wanted to hop on and do an unboxing video as well as a small haul, and I also got some stuff from Etsy too. And then coming up, I want to do another video of me setting up my planner and then also some Dave Ramsey cash envelope stuffing videos. And then I placed a huge ERIN CONDREN order the other day, so as soon as I get that, I will do another unboxing and haul video as I'm super excited about all the stuff I got. So let's get started with this one. I have cut the tape already just to save some time here. So let's open it up. This is my very first ERIN CONDREN order, so I know a lot of videos I watch, they send a lot of the same things, so I really don't know what to expect. So for starters, it looks like we have some gift labels. So happy birthday, and then I did get a 10% off code as well. So those are super cute. Also got a little sticker label to and from, so that's cute. And then go the extra mile, it's never crowded, and that is a postcard. So awesome. So let's get started with the planner. Oh, my kids are gonna love this bubble wrap. I'm just gonna take this stuff out of the box and get that out of the way. Okay, so I'm first going to start. I got a meal planner dashboard, so it it is a clip-in one. I really enjoy planning my meals a week at a time as it helps tremendously with my budgeting. So I'm really excited about this. You use the wet erase markers with this, which that is something that I ordered as my second ERIN CONDREN order, so that will be in the haul that's to come. But it looks like it just has Monday through Sunday, and then there's also a shopping list on the back of that, so you can just clip it in with, if you have the Deluxe monthly planner with whatever month you're in, or if you have the life planner, it would go, in that specific week. So I'm really excited about that. The next thing I got is the designer sticker book. And I have seen so many pictures and videos of this book, and based on the videos and pictures, I just fell in love with it. The colors are so amazing. So this is the monthly collection, and it is edition 4. So as you can see, it just has January through December with a themed month for each month. So let's go ahead and open this. And I may or may not have bought a few other of the sticker books in my next order. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom in here. So it says each moment of the year has its own beauty. So we are starting off with January. As you can see, it's kind of got like a bluish foil, and the colors are really, really pretty. So there's January, February, lots of pink, very cute. March, oh, I love March's colors. April, oh wow, April is so pretty. I love the purples. That one is awesome. May, lots of floral. June, oh, so cute, rainbowish. And this matches the pattern that I got for the cover of my planner. And then also, I did hear that the colors of each month match the colors of the monthly spreads in the planner. So that's awesome. July has a red, white, and blue theme. August, llamas. September, back to a purple. It's got peacock feathers. That's really cute. October has a Halloween theme, purple and blacks and oranges. November, oh, that's pretty. It's kind of like a really, really light blue foil. That one's really cute. And then December, oh, and that's awesome. So I am super excited about this sticker book. And like I said, I may or may not have bought the other two in my next order, maybe. So last we have here is the planner. Now, because I am going to be planning everything in this planner, budgeting, meal planning, kids' schedules, my schedule, I opted for the bigger one, the 8.5 by 11, rather than the 7 by 9. I might get the 7 by 9 also just to kind of compare the two for you guys to see. But for my own personal planner, I did get the big one, and I'm really excited about it. So we'll open it up here. So this page, it's just the front dashboard and then wet erase markers. I'm not sure what I'll do there yet. And then here I'll probably write my name in some fancy lettering. The next page, so this is the colorful planner. I got this opposed to the neutral planner, which in the neutral, I believe these two pages are white, and then the saying is I don't remember, maybe black. But it says you have everything inside you to be and do anything you want. So that is neat. So the first tab here is the yearly spread. So from July of 2018 to December of 2019. I did opt to get my planner to start with December 2018. So, and then one thing that I did here that's new this year from last year is the tabs, the monthly tabs. So I'm really happy that it has that. Had it not, I probably would have bought my own and added those in there. So with this, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet. I might put my kids' school calendar on here, just days that they have off with the transparent circle stickers. I'm not positive though. So when I do my next video about how I'm setting up my planner, we will work on that. And then the next page here is, it just says motivation is what gets you started, planning is what keeps you going. And I've seen people do a lot of different things with these two pages. There are 12 boxes total. I've seen people do different goals that they want to do for each month. So you know, order it from January, February, March, etc. I am really trying to be focused on my budgeting and paying off debt with my debt snowball, following Dave Ramsey's baby steps. So I might put the various months, January, February, March, April, etc., and then what debt snowball I'm working towards that month. So just to kind of keep it big and out here to kind of keep me motivated, I think that that's what I'm going to do with these two pages. So then you have just one page of notes. So at the beginning of each month, there is one page of notes. So that is nice. With this, I'm thinking about basically setting up my monthly budgeting. So every new month, I will go through here and do all of my monthly planning for my budgeting. And then you have the monthly spread. One reason I really like this big of a planner is because the squares are so much bigger. So because I'm doing budget planning, kids' schedules, my schedules, appointments, and everything, I wanted to have big enough squares so that I could fit everything in it and not have it look really overcrowded or not have enough room in a certain square. I'm not sure yet what I will do with this section, but then they also have the next month's overview here, which I think that is really awesome. And then at the end of each month, they have more notes. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With these at the end of each month, I am planning on using these as my weekly budgeting. So like I mentioned before, I do cash envelopes. So each Friday when I get paid, I just go through here and designate where each dollar goes. So I will use this, so week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then the few months out of the year that have a 5th week will go here. So then it just goes to January, and here again, monthly spread, and the notes page. So each new month has a new quote, and then again, like I said, a new color theme. And then so when we take the sticker book, so say we're at February, so you can see the colors match really well with the color theme. We'll go to March, so really cool. So it just goes through, so mine, since I'm starting December 2018, mine will go to November 2019. And then again, you have the 5 note pages in back. Then before you get to the notes section, it has like a yearly ahead overview. So January 2020 to December 2020, you can write any goals that you're working on, and then in the coming year, so any goals that you want to work on for that next year. I did order extra note pages. Since I do a lot of budgeting, I like to keep track of notes and I like to take notes, so I did order extra note pages. So that is that. And then with the 8.5 inch by 11, you actually get 2 extra squares of stickers, 2 different colors. I think it's these 2. So you get 2 pages of stickers, and then you have a bigger pocket here and a smaller pocket here. It says shine your brightest, and then there's a back dashboard that you can again use wet erase markers for. So that is my planner. So I am super excited about that. Again, please stay tuned. I am going to be posting more videos of how I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to start doing weekly, every Friday, my weekly cash stuffing envelopes, which I know I love to watch, so I really hope you guys enjoyed those. If you have any ideas for videos that you might want to see, please comment down below. I am new to this, so I really hope that you guys can inspire me and I can inspire you to maybe take the same journey as I did just start, but it has really helped me a lot with my budgeting and maintaining my money and being able to pay off some debt so far. So please like this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment. And if you would like to see more, please consider subscribing so you know when I post new videos. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.